Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to replace your DasherDirect card. Open the app by tapping on it. Now, log in with your email and password. If you have Touch ID, use it to proceed. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on More. On this screen, you will see an option for Manage Card. Tap on Manage Card. Under Manage Card, you will see an option for Replace Your Card. Tap on Replace Your Card. Now, you will see some reminders when replacing a card. To proceed, tap on Continue to Replace Card, and follow the on-screen instructions to replace your DasherDirect card. That's how you replace your DasherDirect card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.